Have you seen something somewhere unknown? Can pass through anything and are undetected. Yet they exist. Well, there is one such particle that was very much unknown, can pass through anything, and detecting them was next to impossible. In fact, the person who predicted this particle himself quoted that,
"Today, I have done something very bad. I have proposed a particle that cannot be detected."
yes, these were the exact words by Professor Pauli, who predicted this particular particle called neutrino, famously known as the ghost of the universe. After the technical advancement in the field of science and technology, this particular particle was first detected in 1950s. And after that, the research on this particular particle kept going on. And today, with the help of so many experiments and theories, we know that there are three types of neutrino: tau neutrino, electron neutrino, and muon neutrino. In order to detect this particular particle, the detectors are kept at a depth of about 4,800 feet underground. And the size of the detectors are so massive, about the size of big swimming pools. You all might be wondering, why are scientists wasting so much of time and money studying this particular particle? Maybe you all have heard about the Big Bang Theory, the story of our creation. But there was one more thing that happened at that particular instant of time. That is the creation of matter and antimatter.
When this matter and antimatter meet each other, they annihilate. All that should have been left was pure energy. But here we are, existing, dancing, learning, cooking. In other words, we are existing as matter. There are studies that say that this particular particle called neutrino could be the one responsible for matter winning over antimatter, because there is something that has been found in current studies, that this particular particle violates the charge parity symmetry, famously known as CP violation. There are also studies that say that this particle, when it travels, then it oscillates from electron neutrino, muon neutrino to tau neutrino. At present, we do not know what kind of stories this ghost particle is going to narrate to all of us. But one thing I can say, that the story of our origin will be worth hearing. As I told you everyone, that this particular particle is very hard to detect. So today in Physics Heart, we do not have anyone coming in our classroom for the interview. But we have to go to them in order to take their interviews. So let's go. Who's there? Ma'am, I'm here for an interview. So once I'm done, I'll let you go. No ma'am, I guess you are getting me wrong. আমি তোমাকে যেতে দিব, কিন্তু প্রথমে সাক্ষাৎকার দিতে হবে।
तो तू मुझे यहाँ से कहीं बाहर नहीं जाने देगा। तेरा गला काट के तेरा खून पीना है।
Oh my god, this interview is impossible रे।